So in this problem, we need to determine the equation of a circle which is concentric with the circle x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 12y plus 15 equals to 0. But the circle is going to have an area twice as large as this given circle. So let us begin. So what we'll do, we'll start with the given circle. So here we are given the equation of the circle. So that's x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 12y plus 15 equals to 0. Now, the equation of the circle is given in its general form. Now that we have the equation in general form, we can immediately obtain its center as well as the radius of a circle. Now for that, let's quickly state the general form of a circle. So if we have a circle with center at C and radius R, and the general equation of the circle is given by x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Then the center of the circle is given by the coordinate. The x coordinate will become negative half times the coefficient of x, comma, y coordinate will become negative half times the coefficient of y in the general equation. And the radius can be obtained by using this particular formula. Now let's try to do it. So from here, we can immediately find out the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x, that's negative 6. We can also find out the coefficient of y. The coefficient of coordinate y, that's positive 12. And the value of the constant c, that's 15. Now, we can find out the center. The center of a circle is going to be negative half times coefficient of x, so that's negative 6. And then we have the y coordinate, so that will be negative half times coefficient of y, so that's positive 12. So let's calculate this. So this comes out to be 3 comma negative 6. So this is going to be the center of the circle. Now we will also need to find out the radius because we need an information regarding the area. So let's find out the radius of the circle. Our radius is going to be computed by using the formula. First we'll take the square root, and underneath the square root first we'll have to take the square of the negative half times coefficient of x. So coefficient of x is negative 6. Let's find it out. So we have negative half times negative 6, so that will be 3. We have 3 squared added to negative half times coefficient of y squared, so that will be negative 6 squared, or simply positive 6 squared, minus the constant term c, so that's going to be 15. So let's compute this value. So we have 3 squared, that's 9, 6 squared, that's 36, minus 15. So 9 plus 36, that's 45. 45 minus 15 is 30. So our radius comes out to be square root of 30 units. So we can also define the area. So the area, let's call it A1. We know that the area of a circle is defined by pi r squared. So we're going to get 30 pi. So this is going to be the area of this circle whose equation is given to us. We have obtained a center as well. Now we need to obtain the equation of a circle which is concentric with the circle. That means they're going to share the same center, but its area is going to be twice as large. So let's consider the new circle. So the new circle, the condition will be such that since it's concentric, the center is going to be the same. So it's going to be 3 comma negative 6. But this time the area is going to be twice as large as the previous one, or the double the previous one. So 2 times A1. We have already defined the value of A1, so that's 30 pi. Now that means 2 times 30 pi will become 60 pi. Now let's find out the radius. We have pi. Since we are considering A2, we'll consider the radius to be R2. So we have pi R2 squared, that's equals to 60 pi. And solving for R2, we're going to get square root of 60 units. So this is going to be the radius of the new circle. Its center is going to have a coordinate 3 comma negative 6. Now that we have the center as well as the radius, we can easily find out the equation of the circle. For this, we'll have to use the standard form. Let's quickly specify the standard form of a circle. Let's say we have a circle which is centered at C, having a coordinate h comma k, and the radius of the circle, let's say it's given by r. Then the standard form of the circle is given by the equation x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared equals to the square of the radius. So that's the standard form. So we already have the center. So we have 3 comma negative 6. So this is the center h comma k, which immediately gives us the value of h. So h comes out to be positive 3 and k comes out to be negative 6. So we'll substitute this into equation. Thus we get the equation x minus h, that means x minus 3 whole squared, plus y minus k, but k is negative 6, so we have y plus 6 whole squared, and this is going to be equals to the radius squared, so that's simply 60. So let's expand this, and this is going to give us x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 12y minus 15 equals to 0. So this is going to be the equation of the new circle, which is concentric with the circle given to us x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 12y plus 15 equals to 0. And also the area of the new circle is going to be twice as large as the previous circle or the original circle.